Tired of the traditional real estate commission grind? Today, we're unlocking a game-changing strategy to boost your income. Flat Fee MLS listings. Step 1. Understand the power of Flat Fee MLS. It's a system where homeowners pay a one-time, smaller fee to list their property on the multiple listing service. The same platform realtors use. This lets them handle parts of the sale themselves while saving thousands. Step 2. Partner with a reputable Flat Fee MLS provider. Do your research, compare pricing, and ensure they offer the features your clients need, like maximum photo uploads and syndication to major real estate websites. Step 3. Offer unbundled services. Don't just offer the basic listing, create packages that cater to different client needs. Think professional photography, staging consultations, negotiation assistance, or contract review. Sell these services individually to increase your earning potential. Step 4. Generate leads. By marketing your Flat Fee MLS options, target budget-conscious sellers actively searching for alternatives to traditional high commissions. Use online ads, social media, and even local community newsletters. Step 5. Expand your market reach. Flat Fee MLS opens doors to clients who might otherwise try to sell their homes themselves. By offering flexibility, you attract a wider range of sellers, increasing your overall business volume. Flat Fee MLS isn't about slashing your value. It's about offering options and attracting a new segment of clients, ultimately boosting your income and expanding your real estate empire. Now go out there and make some deals.